the AI automation system to get you more traffic, leads, sales, and customers to grow your business. Coming back to this, you can use an auto blogger. I don't recommend it. And the reason that I don't recommend it is because if you've got anything customer facing, if we skip to step 2, customer facing stuff, you always want a quality control, right? Why is that? It's because AI lies, hallucinates, makes up stories, and it can say controversial stuff that you don't want to show to your clients. And that's why we don't use the auto poster. Now, if you want to know exactly how to quality control, I've actually got a checklist here. So if you want to get the checklist for quality controlling content, you can. It's inside here in the video notes. And then also we've got the Reddit auto blogger there. So you can get this free inside the AI money, that sort of thing. So how do you set up a new subreddit? Let me talk you through this process. So what you're going to do is you are going to go to, where is it now? Reddit. And then inside Reddit is create a community, right? So it's really simple and easy. You just create a community like this. And I would recommend putting it around something that you sell, right? So for example, if we sell AI stuff, well, then we're going to have a community around AI. So we called it the AI SEO Insider. So AI test. And, you have to make sure that this is available. So let's just put AI Julian Goldie, for example, add some topics and boom, that's it. Literally takes 1 minute. And then, basically, so inside here, we're going to set up a new Reddit, make the name of the subreddit. Let's say we sell the AI Profit Boardroom. We would call it the AI SEO Insider. Right? If you can't think of names, ask ChatGPT. So for example, you can go in ChatGPT and say, okay, right, give me 5 names. And then you will the Smart Traffic Lab, AI Builder Circle, Profit with AI Workflows, AI Scaling Playbook, or the AI Growth Systems subreddit. Right? Those are all names that we could use. So if you want to steal that prompt, I'll put it inside the video notes from today, and then you can grab that like so. All right.